Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw the owl from Roblox Adopt Me Pets. So let's get started. To draw this cute owl, let's first start by drawing the beak. So I'm going to start right here with a curve. And bring it down to say about right here. And then I'm going to go down. I'm going to kind of round this part off and then hook it down to say about this much. And then right about here is where I'm just going to round it off in this little tip for the beak and just bring it right back up with a curve. So we're just creating this slightly hooked beak. Then from there, I'm going to come across and say about right here, just about this much space. I'm going to go ahead and draw a big circle for the eyes. So about right here, just kind of all at this angle right here. A nice big circle for eye. And then I'm going to go across. So just imagine the other eye also at this, just kind of slanted a little bit. So let's say about right here. I'm going to go ahead and right next to his beak. So it's going to be a little bit closer because our owl is not this slight angle. So let's say about right here. But notice it's all about the same height. That's our goal. And I'm going to create kind of this ovalish eye right here. So this one is not going to be round like the other one. There. Just something like this. Just want to create these two curves right here where the beak is in the center. So then from there, I'm going to come back to this one. And I know there's no highlight usually, but I like to add a little sparkle to the eyes. I'm going to put in a highlight right there and shade everything else in. But if you don't like that, you can definitely just shade it all in like the original. There. So same thing on this side, so about right here. And shade this in as well. Okay, there. So now that we have that in, we need to say, let's kind of imagine this is the center, the bridge of the face right here. So we're just going to go up, let's say about right here. I'm just going to give myself a point. Using that, I'm going to draw a curve over this eye and right down to about right there. And then same thing on this one. We're going to go up and then we're going to bring it down. And we're going to get closer to the eye. So say about right here. And we want to end right here with this curve. So just remember that and just bring this down. We're going to dip lower right underneath and right here. Just connect with this shape. There. And then same thing on the other side, but a little bit narrower. So right here, this is going to be the side of our owl. Right there on the eye. Just going to smooth this out. And down. And once again, we want to end about right here on the other side. And bring it up there. Okay, so it's once again, it's a slight slant, just like the eyes. Okay, so now that we have that in, we can go ahead and I'm going to use this as my guide. I'm going to just continue this curve and we're going to go up to draw our owl's body. So just imagine this is coming through. So this part right here will be kind of like the highest point, the center curved. And then let's go ahead and start to bring it down. So as I come down, I'm going to go out wider. So I'm going to bring it down, go out nice and wide. See about right here. And let's come back over this side and we're going to continue this curve. And we're going to go around. So very simple, wide. So at the bottom right here, just kind of curve it in. There, it's just this big oval body. Now we're going to go up. And in this space, if you're using a pencil, definitely just connect it. But I'm going to stop, say about right here, kind of like where the middle of the eye area, and I need to draw the wing. So let's say about right here. I'm just going to start with a curve and then bring it down right in this area. Approximately, and then I'm going to curve it down nice and big. Bring this down to say about right there. And we're just going to connect with a little rounded off tip. And then whatever space you have left, just imagine it going through. There. Okay, so now that we have that, we definitely need to draw the other wing. So let's say about right here. I'm just going to pop in this other wing to about right there. So let's bring this down and in. And then for the cute little feet, so let's say about right here underneath, I'm going to go ahead and just draw a soft curve. Well, actually no, it's like a gumdrop, right? So deep curve, and then right about here, connect it with a soft curve. And then right next to it, we're going to draw another one a little bit lower. And connect. There. And of course, I'm going to add a little heart right here, tucked right in here, to make this my Draw So Cute owl from Roblox Adopt Me Pet. I really hope you love how this drawing turned out and that I helped you draw it fun and easy. And if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.